Multichannel Ecommerce. It's your ticket to reaching more customers. But let's face it, dealing with feed errors, integration roadblocks, and poor campaign performance is downright exhausting. You need a solution that can tackle volatile channel specs and fragmented data sources with ease. But conventional feed management tools just don't cut it. Too limited, too complex, or too expensive. Introducing GoDataFeed, the world's first multi-channel feed performance platform. GoDataFeed doesn't just simplify online selling. It combines powerful, easy-to-use software with the industry's top-rated, most knowledgeable support team for a complete solution. Seamlessly connect your catalog across hundreds of channels. Generate A+ content for your product listings. Automate inventory updates and changes to product information, and sync marketplace orders, all from one dashboard. Ditch the endless hours of troubleshooting and formatting. Forget about slow, costly integrations, and put all that tedious, time-consuming data entry behind you. No coding necessary. Built-in channel-ready templates. Powerful automated data transformation. Unlimited stores, unlimited SKUs, unlimited potential. Reach your ideal customer on their favorite channel with the perfect product presentation at just the right moment. With a 5-star support team and full-service options available, you'll be equipped to conquer any challenge on any channel. Experience the power of GoDataFeed and join the thousands of brands, retailers, and agencies already on the seamless path to multi-channel marketing. GoDataFeed, your products everywhere.